Namaskara, ellarigu Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel ge swagata. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel. This is again the video lesson for the spoken Kannada learners, for every non-Kannada speakers. So, ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? Today we are going to do a few words that is related to the time, days and the date. So in the last video we learned the days in Kannada. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all these things we learned in Kannada. And if you have not yet watched that video, I'll leave the link here. Please go watch the video. There you have I have also mentioned the basic simple sentences that we can frame using the days. So now let's come to these words. So what are the kind of words that I'm going to look here is, what do I say for today, tomorrow, day before yesterday, that time, this time, so all these things. So we'll start, okay? So first word that I want to learn is today. Today I will say ivattu. Okay? So ivattu nanna birthday. Today is my birthday. So after today, the next one is yesterday. So yesterday is ninne, and sometimes with colloquial version I can also say nenne. So both are comfortably fine. Nenne meeting ittu. Yesterday I had meeting. The next is tomorrow. Tomorrow is nade, and remember here the lay has to touch upper parallel of your mouth. Okay? Nade I have work. Nade nange kelsa ide. Nade nange work ide. Work is kelsa. Okay? Next is day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow is nadiddu. So here I am giving the colloquial version. Colloquial version is basically the spoken version. Okay? Nadiddu holiday. Day after tomorrow is holidays. I'm giving the very basic simple sentences here. You can try a little bit complex sentence also. When you try it, make sure that you comment section alli mention ಮಾಡಿ, so that I can correct your sentences. Okay? So day after tomorrow is nadiddu. Next, day before yesterday. Day before yesterday is ಮೊನ್ನೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು. ಡೇ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಇಟ್ ರೇನ್ಡ್ ಹೆವಿಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಒನ್. ಟುಡೇ, ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ಟುಮಾರೋ, ಡೇ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಐ ಡೂ ಯೋಗ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಐ ಡೂ ಯೋಗ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ is basically will do. So if you have not yet watched the tense videos, I'll leave the playlist link here. So where I have taught all the tenses, please go watch the videos, and also you can purchase the book, the ebook that is being launched by Yashaswi Vaani. That link is also mentioned in the description. Check ಮಾಡಿ and practice the tenses also. Okay? Every day is pratidina, or I can also say dinalu. ದಿನಾಲು ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೌ. ಈಗ. ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಈಗ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ. ಕಮ್ ನೌ. ಈಗ ಬಾ. ಓಕೆ? ಈಗ ಬೇಡ. ನಾಟ್ ನೌ. ಈಗ ಬೇಡ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ನೌ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೌ. ಲೇಟರ್. Later is ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We'll do it later. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll call later. Okay? Next one. At that time. At that time. ಆವಾಗ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. both are fine. Okay? ಆವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸ ಇತ್ತು. At that time I had so much of work. At that time I couldn't think about anything. ಆವಾಗ ನನಗೇನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಅದು ಫೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ಓಕೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಆವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ? Okay. So these are the words. I don't give you the sentences. You can try the sentences, but you can learn the words basically. Here we are focusing on the words and the sentences. I hope it is comfortable for you and it has been helpful for you. Please share this video with your friends who are interested in learning Kannada and who are willing to learn Kannada and wants the materials and references to learn Kannada. And do not forget to check out the description box for the playlist link and the ebook links. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavadagalu. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2 vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.